According to McKinsey, we already have 10 million shared e-scooters, e-bikes and e-mopeds deployed globally, and that number is rising to 30 million in 2030. This is leading to an ever-growing number of accidents involving scooters and pedestrians, causing cities to over-regulate e-scooters and prevent shared micromobility from effectively scaling and achieving our shared goal of reducing the number of cars in cities. Luna was founded with the mission of applying more than 2 decades of telematics and intelligent vehicle experience to many of the safety issues faced by shared micromobility. These challenges include sidewalk riding, collisions and disorderly parking. To date, the micromobility industry has been relying on GPS technology, which has not proved accurate enough to distinguish which side of a lane marking or curb edge the vehicle is riding on. Luna's vision-based technology provides a much higher degree of accuracy and effectiveness. Similar to the concept of advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS in cars, Luna is an AI-powered computer vision device. It gives situational awareness to an e-scooter or an e-bike, allowing it to see and understand if it's been ridden on a sidewalk, a road or a bike lane, or whether there's pedestrians in the line of travel. In the event of detecting sidewalk riding or a collision risk, Luna enables the rider and pedestrians to be alerted and the vehicle to automatically be slowed, depending on the preferences of the shared micromobility operator or the host city. We also improve parking with an AI parking selfie solution, which provides irrefutable visual confirmation of the correct parking prior to the end of a ride. Additionally, our computer vision capabilities enable multiple smart city insights and applications for operators and cities. With our solution being capable of detecting everything the human eye can see, from potholes, sidewalk riding accessibility issues, and critical events such as flooding, broken traffic lights, etc. It also allows cities to identify and manage areas in the city where sidewalk riding or collisions most frequently occur, so that any infrastructure issues can be permanently resolved. Luna manages all this vision data using our own bespoke cloud backend platform. With public privacy top of mind, Luna has face and license plate blurring built in as standard. Whether you're a municipal or transit authority, a micromobility operator, a vehicle OEM, or a mapping company, we want to work with you. So let's start a conversation today to make transport in cities smarter and safer.